Hi, Tyson Mutrux here with Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers, and today we're going to talk about interpleaders and what they are. So an interpleader in Missouri is basically just a court action where an insurance company files with the court and says, I've got a certain sum of money, I don't know what to do with it, I want you to figure out what to do with it, court. And where that normally comes into play is if there are more than one claimant to an insurance policy. So let's say that there's a car crash, the state minimum of $25,000 applies, and there's 6 people, 6 claimants. They all have a bunch of medical bills. Well, in that situation, and really what it would be is a $25,000 per person, $50,000 in the aggregate. So each claim, they could get up to $25,000. However, all claimants total can only get $50,000. So you're having to split that $50,000 a variety of different ways. And I've seen it where one claimant, I've had one where there were actually 9 people, and one of the claimants got $25,000, so that remaining 25 of the 50 was split among 8 different claimants, right? And the court has to figure out how to do that unless the parties can agree. And that's where the interpleader comes in, is whenever the parties can't agree, they file it with the court, and then the court decides. Because it's just the insurance company saying, hey, I don't want to be liable for anything more than the policy. We're going to put this with the court, we're going to file it with the court. Here's the money we have, court. We agree that our insured is at fault here. Now we want you to decide what to do with the money. So that's what an interpleader is. So if you see that on the internet, if you've heard that term interpleader, so interpleader is how you say it. If you've seen that on the internet or if you've heard it, that's all it means. It's a weird word for a very simple thing, and that's just taking that money and putting it with the court and saying, court, you decide how to disperse the funds. And how we actually do that as the court, we'll have a mini trial. That's what I call it. It's just a mini trial. It's a hearing, and the parties put on evidence. So each of the claimants has an opportunity. They can call doctors if they want. They can call witnesses if they want. They can call what we call before and after witnesses to talk about how their lives have changed since being injured. And then what the court will do is they'll say, okay, they'll take all this evidence, they'll take it into consideration, and then divvy up that insurance policy. And sometimes it's not just a $25.50. Sometimes it's substantially more than that. But usually you'll see it where the total claims, the way the insurance company's valued it, the total claims exceed that total insurance policy. All right, so if you have any questions about that, give us a call, 888-550-4026. You can also check us out at TysonMutrux.com. Make sure you also check us out on Facebook, where we have share a lot of just great information other than just things about the law. And then also check out our YouTube channel, Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers, where we have a lot of explainer videos there. All right, make it a great day. We'll see you.